one of the things you're going to want to really learn how to use is the File Manager. To access it, go down to the administration block and then choose the one that says Files. This is really important because what this will do is this will let you put all the files on the server that you want to be able to use, so you can teach your students the way you want to. And it's great because you only have access to them from within Moodle. You don't have access to them from the outside. Basically, that means if they're on this file server, you can create a link to them with the activities blocks or resources blocks so that students have direct access to them. It's just a great way to do it. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to upload the files. So just click Upload a File, browse to the one that you want, click Browse. Suppose I have these Daniel chapter 8 notes that I want to upload. Right here, Daniel 8, open, upload this file, and you'll notice it's there. And now I'll be able to link to it for students to access and download Daniel chapter 8. The notes that I've written there. Or another interesting thing is that we can do this and upload 50, hundreds, as many as you want, but suppose you have a whole bunch of related files. For example, suppose I have these 12 apologetic lecture notes that I want to upload. Rather than uploading them one at a time, what I can do, upload a file, you're going to click Browse. What I have done, I want you to notice, is I have taken these 12 files and I have zipped them together in a single zip file. So rather than doing them one at a time, upload this one file. Now I have this zip file, and I can just click unzip. And there are a ton of free zipping utilities on the web. You can do that. Just click OK. And now all 12 of those are extracted. Now, but here's a problem. That gets kind of messy to try to look at all that, doesn't it? What you're going to want to do, I'm going to delete all these. What you're going to want to do is when you're uploading files, think about keeping things organized to make your life a whole lot easier in finding what you're looking for. So let's select everything, delete completely, say yes, I really want to delete everything. This time what we're going to do is we're going to make a folder. I'm going to call this folder Apologetics. Create. Now I want to move this Apologetics in, say, move to another folder. Now I want to select the folder I want to move to, in this case Apologetics, and then click Move Files to here. Now here it is. I'm going to unzip them here and click OK. And now they're all here. Now I can go back to the parent folder and notice that it's not there anymore. I could also make multiple zip files even within the context of that, and you can play with all that later. So you would do that by selecting the file that you wanted, then clicking Create a Zip Archive. That would be if you want students to download an entire package of files. Now again, so the good news is now I have access to all of these individual files that I can have them download or read. I have all these resources available I didn't have otherwise. So spend some time getting used to the file structure. Again, spend some time creating a bunch of directories. Directories are really, really useful. If you have a whole bunch of files, you're going to find later on in another tutorial that it's really useful. You can display the entire contents of a directory on your file server. So you may want to actually have a directory for week 1 files, week 2 files, week 3 files. If you have a whole bunch of, again, like I have 12 different lecture notes on apologetics, I want them all under one directory. Just think about ways that you can classify them to make it easier both for you to find and to display for students.